Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will bring one idea to paint a snowman in snowy winter. Requiring materials 10 by 12 canvas board, flat brushes size 24:2, fill bed 4 and 2, liner 2, small size mob brush and diameter in circle shape 3 and 1.5 inch centimeter. The first step, background. First, moistening the flat brush size 24 and picking little black, cerulean blue and titanium white, mixing it well together and apply top on the canvas board from one side to the another side. For the next layer, here I am adding little more white with previous acrylic color. For the next layer, applying step by step from one side to the another side. This is for the sky background. Once completing this, now I am going to start blending the colors together using horizontal brush strokes from one side to the another side. Just I am starting from one side to the end, step by step, do it. Once completing this background, next I am going to create the base of snowbed in winter. So because of this, first I am adding scarlet lake, little cerulean blue, little cadmium yellow and adding some titanium white, mixing well together for the colors for the creation and to make the base of the snowbed like this step by step. Just up to here I am not changing and washing flat brush. I am using the same flat brush for the sky background and the base of this. Next step, creating for the Christmas tree using filbert brush size 4 and picking some white mixed with cerulean blue. Then create the base of the Christmas tree first both sides. Here I am going to create the circles for the snowman. I am using the diameter 3 and 1.5 centimeter circle shapes to draw a snowman using white pencil and place it here and draw the circles like this step by step. Then after making circle, then using the flat brush size 2 and a little bit of black and more titanium white acrylic mixing it together, filling it in the circle. After filling it in the base, next I am going to highlighting the light and shadows. Here I am going to highlighting the lights and shadows of the snowman. Because of that I am using mob brush and picking titanium white acrylic, get tip all those bristles and left side around dab it to create the frosty looking like snowman like this for the highlighting, and just start right side from the edge for the more light falling and the left side for the shadows for the less light falling. And just very gently and lightly drag the paint. The same processing able to do right up here too. Once completing this, next here we have to paint eyes, mouth, nose and arms for snowman. So first I am adding some buttons here for him. So I am using rounder size 2 and picking black acrylic and one button here I am creating. Next I am adding another 2 also, totally 3 buttons I am adding here. Next I am adding eyes and mouth too. I am gonna paint his mouth also little curve downwards way. It's look like smiley snowman. The next step we are going to decorating the snowman. Because of that I am using filbert brush size 2 and picking white acrylic and giving to start from here, push pull up to get a narrow cover up. Next using flat brush. Here snowman's forehead I am creating little shadows of the cap. And and picking little bit of cadmium yellow, more scarlet legs, spun it well together to create the cap for him like little cone shape. After that, I am coming here from right side to the left, gently push like scooping and cover it over his snowman scarf too like this. Next, to paint a carrot nose, start from here to and pull up right side a little sharp triangle shape. Here, I am loading a flat brush with titanium white acrylic. The very tip get all those bristles together around highlighting and making the shadows also here. Just leave some like little darkish look visible. This is the shadows in this. I am giving just soften up and scramble up here using circular motion brush strokes. Then here we can see the snow bed around the base. Next, arms, I am using liner brush size 2 and picking black acrylic to create his arms and elbows both sides of the snowman. Here I am highlighting his arms, so I am using same liner brush and picking grey acrylic and I am creating little snow stay on his arms. Now here I am going to give little more realistic look to the snow. So I am picking some titanium white and using circular motion brush strokes all around here. Don't feel hard to try and make it your own paintings. I think detail of this painting and the colors combinations inspiring you. If you are the absolute beginner and would like to learn an easy techniques try this painting, I am welcoming you. Come and join to paint in my art journey. If you feel little harder to paint today this means put you a little practice, you feel easier to do tomorrow. While learning something new, give yourselves a little break. No one is perfect at painting when they first start. Here we are going to create the snow falling. So I am using flat brush size 4 and little water mixing with little titanium white acrylic and mix it well together. I tilt and having back the bristles with my finger and sprinkle like this on all over the canvas for the snow falling.